Uumpisahan na ang tunneling work sa Camp Aguinaldo Station ng Metro Manila Subway Project. Inihayag naman ng Armed Forces of the Philippines o AFP ang kanilang suporta sa nasabing proyekto. Ang detalye sa balitang pambansa ni Patrick De Jesus ng PTV Manila.
Inilunsad ang tunnel boring machine sa Camp Aguinaldo Station ng Metro Manila Subway Project dahil dito ay magsisimula na ang tunneling works para sa Contract Package 103 ng tinaguriang Project of the Century. Ang Contract Package 103 na iginawad sa Sumitomo Mitsui Construction Company ay bahagi ng 7 civil works contract packages ng Subway Project. Saklaw ng CP103 ang Camp Aguinaldo at Anonas Station.
This 21.1 billion peso contract has a total route length of 6.6 kilometers with tunnels connecting Quezon City to Pasig City. We are again deeply grateful to the government of Japan, including the JICA, for their unwavering support to this subway project.
Inihayag ng AFP ang pagsuporta sa proyekto at umaasa silang makatutulong ang Camp Aguinaldo Station ng Subway Project.
For the Armed Forces of the Philippines, Camp Aguinaldo Station means more than enhanced mobility. It represents strategic advantage. Our soldiers, our civilian staff, and their families will have increased access to reliable transit, allowing us to respond with greater speed and efficiency during emergencies.
Target ang partial operation sa Metro Manila Subway Project sa 2029 na may habang 33 kilometro at 17 istasyon mula Valenzuela hanggang FTI Bicutan sa Taguig City. Kapag nakumpleto, 250,000 pasahero ang maseserbisyohan nito. Patuloy ring tinutugunan ng right-of-way sa proyekto.
Sa right-of-way natin bababa tayo as low as 47 meters po. Because of the terrain and also in order to assuage the fears.
Kamakailan lang din ay sinara ang malaking bahagi ng Mindanao Avenue na magtatagal hanggang 2028 para bigyang daan ang konstruksyon ng Tandang Sora Station ng Metro Manila Subway Project. Mula sa People's Television Network, Patrick De Jesus para sa Balita Pambansa.